Hey there! Welcome back to the Herbal Keys. It's February, and as we observe American Heart Month, we turn our attention from the pharmacy to the pantry. Your kitchen contains some of the most potent cardiovascular allies found in nature, used for millennia to support the flow of life. Today, we dig into the Potent Pantry, exploring how 6 common culinary spices act as vasodilators and anti-inflammatories to protect your heart. By understanding the biological mechanisms of these plants, we can transform daily meals into profound acts of wellness. Before we explore these botanical allies for the heart, we invite you to join our growing community here at the Herbal Keys. If you value this deep dive into traditional wellness, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. Your engagement ensures that this vital herbal wisdom reaches those who need it most. Or consider becoming a channel member. We are deeply grateful for your presence and your commitment to natural health. Together, we can keep these ancient herbal traditions alive for generations to come. Okay, let's talk a bit about heart health before exploring our 6 herbs. Cardiovascular wellness is built upon the twin pillars of inflammation control and efficient blood flow. Chronic inflammation is a primary driver of arterial damage, while poor vasodilation, the ability of blood vessels to relax, leads to increased pressure on the heart muscle. Spices are unique because they contain polyphenol and volatile oils that interact directly with the endothelial lining of our vessels. By adding these specific spices into your daily cooking, you provide your body with consistent, low-dose medicinal support that helps maintain vascular elasticity and reduces the oxidative stress that leads to disease. When using the pantry as an apothecary, bioavailability is essential. Many of the active compounds in spices are fat-soluble or require specific catalysts to enter the bloodstream effectively. Simply sprinkling a spice on top of a meal may not provide the full therapeutic benefit. We must understand how to unlock these plants through proper preparation, such as heat activation or pairing with healthy fats. As we look at these 6 herbs, pay close attention to the preparation methods described. These traditional techniques are designed to ensure that the medicine actually reaches your heart and circulatory system. Turmeric is the premier anti-inflammatory spice, yet its primary compound, curcumin, is notoriously difficult for the body to absorb on its own. To maximize its heart protective potential, turmeric must always be paired with black pepper. The piperine in pepper increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Because curcumin is fat-soluble, it should be consumed with a healthy lipid such as avocado or olive oil. For the best results, gently heat the turmeric in your cooking fat before adding other ingredients, as heat further increases the solubility of its active components. Turmeric serves as a systemic anti-inflammatory that protects the heart by reducing the stickiness of the blood and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. It helps to modulate the body's inflammatory response, specifically targeting the NF-κB protein that triggers heart-damaging inflammation. By keeping the lining of the blood vessels smooth and healthy, turmeric reduces the risk of atherosclerosis. It is a long-term tonic herb, meaning its benefits accumulate over time with consistent use. Those on blood-thinning medications should consult a professional, as turmeric can naturally enhance the blood's fluidity. Garlic is often called the all-natural statin, but its medicinal power depends entirely on how it is handled. The active compound, allicin, does not exist in a whole clove. It is created through an enzymatic reaction when the garlic is crushed or chopped. To get the full cardiovascular benefit, you must crush your garlic and let it sit for at least 10 minutes before exposing it to heat. This wait time allows the allicin to fully develop and become heat-stable. Cooking garlic immediately after chopping destroys the enzyme responsible for its heart-healing properties. Garlic supports heart health by relaxing the smooth muscles of the blood vessels, which naturally lowers blood pressure. Its sulfuric compounds help to reduce LDL cholesterol and triglycerides while improving the ratio of good HDL cholesterol. Garlic also acts as a mild vasodilator, increasing the production of nitric oxide in the arteries. This ensures that the heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood through the body. Because of its potent antiplatelet activity, garlic is an excellent ally for preventing clots, though it should be used carefully before any scheduled surgical procedures. Ginger is a warming circulatory stimulant that is best used fresh for its heart-supporting benefits. In the winter, ginger helps to prevent blood stagnation or poor peripheral circulation. For a potent heart tonic, grate fresh ginger root into hot water to create a strong infusion. The heat helps to extract the gingerols, which are the primary medicinal compounds. Dried ginger is significantly hotter and more concentrated, making it better for those with chronically cold hands and feet. But fresh ginger is generally preferred for daily cardiovascular maintenance and gentle blood thinning. Ginger acts as a circulatory catalyst, improving the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to every cell in the body. By stimulating the heart's contraction strength without increasing the heart rate, it helps the cardiovascular system operate more efficiently. Ginger also inhibits the formation of pro-inflammatory compounds called leukotrienes, which can contribute to heart disease. Its warming nature makes it particularly effective during the cold winter months when the blood tends to move more slowly. It is a safe, gentle herb, though those with gallstones should use it with caution due to its bile-stimulating effects. When selecting cinnamon for heart health, the variety is critical. Most grocery store cinnamon is cassia, which contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that can be hard on the liver in large doses. For medicinal use, seek out Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon. It has a lighter color and a more delicate, sweet flavor. Ceylon cinnamon is much safer for daily, long-term consumption. To incorporate it into your heart-healthy routine, add it to your morning coffee, oatmeal, or smoothies. The active compounds are best extracted when the cinnamon is finely ground and consumed whole. Cinnamon is a powerful ally because of its effect on blood sugar regulation. High blood sugar causes oxidative stress that damages the delicate lining of the arteries. By improving insulin sensitivity, cinnamon helps to keep blood sugar levels stable, thereby protecting the cardiovascular system from glycation damage. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals responsible for arterial aging. It helps to lower bad LDL cholesterol while maintaining the integrity of the heart's vessels. It is an essential spice for anyone managing metabolic health alongside cardiovascular wellness. Rosemary is a hardy evergreen that is exceptionally high in rosmarinic acid. While often used as a garnish, it should be used liberally in cooking to gain its medicinal benefits. Rosemary's volatile oils are released most effectively when the leaves are bruised or finely chopped. It pairs perfectly with roasted meats and vegetables, where its antioxidants help to prevent the formation of harmful compounds during the cooking process. For a dedicated heart tonic, you can also prepare a rosemary-infused vinegar or oil, which preserves the plant's potency and makes it easy to add to daily breads and salads. Historically used to strengthen the heart, rosemary is a potent antioxidant that specifically protects the brain and the heart from oxidative damage. Its primary action is to improve peripheral circulation and oxygen flow to the tissues. Rosmarinic acid has been shown to inhibit the progression of atherosclerosis by preventing the oxidation of fats in the bloodstream. Rosemary also supports the capillaries, the smallest blood vessels, ensuring that blood reaches the furthest reaches of the body. Its stimulating aroma also provides a mild boost to mood and mental clarity, which indirectly supports a healthy heart. Cayenne is the emergency herb of the heart-centered pantry. It contains capsaicin, which gives it its characteristic heat and its medicinal power. Because it is so potent, it should be used in very small amounts, often just a pinch. Cayenne is a unique catalyst. When taken with other herbs, it improves their efficacy by rapidly increasing blood flow and carrying the other medicinal compounds deeper into the tissues. For daily use, add a tiny pinch to warm lemon water or soups. It should always be used within your personal comfort level for heat to avoid digestive irritation. Cayenne is a master vasodilator. It works almost instantly to open up the blood vessels and equalize blood pressure throughout the body. In traditional herbalism, it is used to stop bleeding and even to support the heart during acute distress by quickly stimulating circulation. Capsaicin helps to thin the blood and dissolve fibrin, a protein involved in blood clot formation. By improving the fire of the circulatory system, this pepper ensures that the heart doesn't encounter resistance in the vessels. It is a powerful, fast-acting ally, requiring careful dosing for maximum therapeutic benefit. The path to a healthy heart often leads directly through the kitchen. By choosing the right spices and preparing them with intention, we turn every meal into a medicinal treatment for the cardiovascular system. Whether it is the warming heat of ginger, the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric, or the pressure-regulating effects of garlic, these pantry staples offer profound protection. We encourage you to start small. Choose 1 or 2 of these spices to incorporate into your meals this week. Over time, these small, daily actions will build a resilient and vibrant heart for years to come. Thank you for joining us at the Herbal Keys for this exploration of heart-healthy herbs and spices. We hope this guide empowers you to use your pantry as your first line of defense for cardiovascular wellness. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more deep digs into traditional herbalism. Don't forget to check out our channel memberships for exclusive content and community discussions. We would love to know, which of these spices do you use most often in your cooking? Let us know in the comments below. Now go get spicy. Your heart will love you for it. Stay grounded, my friends.